Relax.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry even when you lose. Am I doing great?
You are doing great.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay, go on. Play now. What you got?
I don't know yet, but I think I'm getting lots of coins.
Good, you need coins, right?
Yeah, so I can buy other stuff, like a board. And it also has stuff in it. A big boot can throw you high, and also bouncy stuff that can make you bounce far and high, and you can get some stuff, but only if they are. And you also need to have it. And I have a boot that can make me jump. And I just lose.
That's okay. Yeah, relax, breathe. You didn't get anything?
Nothing, because I need a box. A mystery box.
Get a
That's how-
mystery box then.
But it needs to be in the game, because someplace it's been floating, and I think I see the boot. I like it. Oh, I found it. I think I'm getting something. Like a hat. I just hit, and I'm still alive. Come on, let's do. It's coins.
How many?
15.8K. Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is your coin? Oh, 15.8K. Okay. Oh, you got bored.
Yay!
No?
Home, there, and then board.
Did you get 15K? Alright.
But I already have a board. I buy
Tingnan mo
this
last mo.
because
Enough
we need
na.
0 coins.
Sleeping time na.
Can I just finish one more round?
Promise?
Promise. Really promise. Pinky promise.
Okay, go. Ouch.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Kids, learn how to relax by watching me. My name is Ellouise, and thumbs up to subscribe.
Night.
Good night. And I made this last night, which is tonight. Yeah. Thanks.
What's that game?
It's a running game about a boy and a girl and other characters running and a police.
I think it's Surfer. Surfer ba yun? What's the game? What's the game's name? Subway Surf.
Yeah.
There
It's
you go.
Mommy. Ooh, magic. Yeah.
Oh, lobat ka na. Good night.
Night.
Last one, promise.
Okay, I will. But only if it's long.